open and pop into this, that's the only place I'm interested in being short. And they're going to defend that 4,400. If we break 4,400 for some reason, that there's going to be some forced selling like no other. If we break 44.25, what is 44.25? That is our key level of 44.27, right? If we break 35, nah, not a big deal. But we do have the 50 area, which is where we're at right now, and we're under it. We are under it. They're already going to have to start selling some stock, man. If they don't get this back above 50 before the open, we're going to open with some stock selling. We're going to sell some stock. 44.49, first print. Pop right into that short setup like a boss. Hot damn, I didn't get stopped out on anything. I'll take a little profits now on the SPX as well.
Order filled.
I'm gonna close that fucking nice payday short out completely. I'm completely out to short on SPX. Now I'm looking for this nice, almost a 20 point bounce on the SPX. So what, 12 points or so? I got at least 3 or 4 out of the strike I had on. So sit on the hands for a minute now. I'm gonna sit on my hands for a minute. Let's just watch price action. Let's talk about price action now. I'm looking for 44, 44, 19. Let's see how high we can go. This is probably the best trade of the day right here. I missed my fill. I didn't get my fill in the first minute, so I canceled it. Okay, that's okay. 442, that's what I'm looking for. If we can get up there again, I am taking that trade. This is what I'm trading off of. 44.37. Wait, I'm short. That's the pop I've been looking for. It's a big new
order filled.
It's a big new low. Taking some profits. Here we are at 44.27, which is the 50 fib on the negative slope, and there's also the trend line break. It's the 200, like it's 44.27. I just went ahead and sold some more. I'm down to a couple contracts now on the short side.